So a little addendum from IKEA. If you wanted to go straight with this suspension bracket and these mid beams, they would slide across here. They fit a little more tightly. I guess I'm trying to do this with one hand. Like that. As opposed to the brackets that come with it. These would go right on the end. So my Ford has these little indentations all by itself. You could slide these across a little bit, but 16 inches fits perfectly. And the slats, I bought 6 mid beams. If you wanted to get a carpenter and affix these up a little higher, that would put your bed up. But there's plenty of storage now under my bed. I'm in love with IKEA's parts for the bed.